YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. We are on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers. Guys, if you're not yet tapped in, please hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. We do our best, like I said, to give you guys all the news in crypto, guys. Without further ado, let's talk about some Toshi, guys. Talk about the entire market. Oh, but first, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. It's not financial advice. Just the homie Crypto J. You got to go out there and do your own research. Okay, now let's talk about this right here. As you guys can see, total market cap coming in at $3.2 trillion. Our fear greed index coming in at a 38. But honestly, I feel like they're going to start pushing this a little bit more back up. We are seeing some positive price action, but it's Monday. We got to be careful, right? I tell you guys, a lot of times fake outs happen on Monday and then we see real price action happen on a Thursday. But is this Bitcoin pump legit, or is this just, again, another sign that we need to see a correction? We're seeing similar to what Bitcoin has done in the past, right? Bitcoin's done it literally right here back in 2021 around, no, 2023, I'm sorry, right around similar time, right? December, boom, drop off right before we shoot up, right? Are we going to see something similar? We create this little McDonald's M on this smaller time frame here. We drop down, but we catch some support, create a bull flag, and shoot back up. Can we see something similar? Or do we create a flagpole here, consolidate down like this? You see, we dropped all the way from 75 all the way down to 52 here, and then we shot up, create another flagpole. We're going to do something similar to that, you know, consolidate down a lot more. If that happens, guys, Bitcoin's going to want to drag the market. Right now, though, so far, so good. I mean, again, the market cap starting to recover a little bit. We did talk about the fact that, again, Bitcoin needs to hold this 96 range. I've been saying it so much on the channel, how important this 96K range is. Really, we wanted to break above 98, but I did tell you guys that if we could start establishing some higher lows here, we could start rounding out this pattern. And that's what we want to see. We want to see this thing start to round out. And so that's positive, right? We could see possibly maybe some kind of a price pump, maybe something similar to what happened here. We might shoot up, except this time retest and break out, right? Possible double bottom. This is starting to look a little more bullish. And so we're starting to see a little more euphoria trickling into the market. In fact, some coins seeing a big pump today. Big pump today, which is exciting, including Toshi Coin, right? Toshi Coin was up 12% earlier today. It is like 6 a.m. in the morning right now. So we're going to keep covering it, guys, all day today. Hopefully we can see some pump. We did talk about it yesterday, the fact that we were possibly seeing a breakout. It does look like that's what we're looking at here on the 4-hour too. Possible confirmed sign of a breakout. Are we going to see this thing really start to rally today? Can Toshi Coin have some significant upside? Again, we talk about how important it is that we start seeing these patterns start rounding out, right? Toshi Coin now coming in at $321 million. But can it continue on? Can we see some new all-time highs out of Toshi? Can we see some can we see a breakup out of that 350 range today, actually? You know, if we could break up above that 350 range, that's gonna, I think that could cause some real FOMO. At any moment, guys, it could start really. At any moment, this thing could absolutely slingshot. We've seen it happen multiple times. There's a chance it happens again today. We're seeing a breakout. We know every time that we've kind of touched into that zone, of that 300 zone, we've seen a pump of like 70 to 75%. So I'm curious to see if we're going to do something similar. A lot of people are already up, like I said, like 12% from the bottom here. So again, is this thing going to shoot up another, like, I don't know, are they going to shoot up past 350 this time? Are we going to see this thing really start running? You guys could see we are starting to move out of some key resistance, and it hasn't been plenty of times that we created this pattern, right? You could see we create something kind of similar to what's going on here, right down here. We had this similar thing, like I said, shoulder, head, shoulder. We started breaking down off of this. We had our rejection. We retested this second zone already 1-2 times. Is the third time the charm, guys? If we break up out of this third level, this Keltner channel, it's going to be a big deal. on the 12-hour. It's going to be a really big deal. It's going to cause a lot of FOMO, and it's going to have a lot of people wanting to get back in the market. So definitely something that I'm paying attention to on, again, that 12-hour chart. If we break this 12-hour, this is really going to have to play out today. Either way, we're going to have to break up out of this, or it's going to have to start rejecting off of this range again, just like we rejected here and here. This was also a rejection, but these two are off that second counter channel. If this is going to reject off that low past that in 24 hours, if it really wanted to, we've seen it happen with many coins, guys, many coins with not half the narrative, right? So I do think that Toshi coin can have some significant upside. And let's go check on, as a matter of fact, let's go check on their Twitter just to see how these guys have been doing on Twitter. I know that they've been putting in a lot of work to grow this thing. So let's see how they're doing over here, right? Let's check it out. Boom. They had just hit 100,000 guys, like, I think Friday or something like that. And they're already at 103. Wow. Sheesh. Are we going to hit 150? Before February ends? Today's the 17th. Oh, wow. I'm wondering, what do you guys think? You guys think that the Twitter page will have 150 followers, or do you think that it'll have 200 followers? Today's February 15th. I'm thinking that this coin, based off of the growth that I've already seen this thing having on its Twitter, guys, this thing's jumping like 10,000 people every couple days. I really think that by the end of the month, we could be at least 150,000 people over here on Twitter. And we talked about how bullish that can be for Toshi because, again, Toshi has a huge community. And there's a lot of people that are holding Toshi that are not even following it on X, right? 542,000 people holding Toshi, and they only have 100,000 people following them on X. This is what I'm saying. If this community says they want to start tapping into this Toshi on X, we could really start making stuff trend in a big way, guys. The biggest way to move these coins is through the community, guys. It is. That's why, low-key, I started this YouTube channel, is to help the community, is to keep you guys informed. And in return, you guys have been doing an amazing job supporting the channel. But, again, get out there, go make some Toshi content yourself. A lot of people creating some pretty amazing Toshi artwork and sharing it in the group. You guys could see really cool stuff coming here. And yeah, that's one thing I like about the Toshi community is that these guys are so creative, that they're always marketing, and that we're always working together to achieve the same goal, guys. The same goal. We all want to see Toshi sitting far above $1 billion. But what are your price predictions of Toshi? I definitely want to know. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you guys think we're going to see a breakout today? Or also, is this just a Monday fake out? Also, let me know in the comment section. You guys could see Toshi coin looking like it's starting to curl up, but we really need it to turn up, guys. A little nervous there. But also, if you guys are not yet tapped into my free Telegram, I will leave you guys a link to my free Telegram on my Twitter. All you got to do, follow me over on Twitter, and you can get a link to that. Just shoot me a DM. Let me know that you saw my YouTube video and you follow me on YouTube. Add you into Twitter. Or if you don't have Twitter, go on Instagram, add me at JTalksCrypto, and I'll add you into the Telegram also that way too, if you guys need that. And then too, you could add me on TikTok if you have neither one of those and you're a Gen Zer or the new gen. I don't know what the new generation's called. I think is it still Gen Z or is it generation something? There's a new generation. I don't know. But if you're part of them, you can join on TikTok. And then also Patreon as well. If you guys are looking for to tap in on Patreon for that exclusive stuff, I'll leave the link in the contract, or I'll leave the link in the description. I'll leave the link in the comment section. I'm sorry. I'll leave the link in the comment section below. I'll pin it in there, guys, so that you guys can check out the Patreon. Again, that's where all the exclusive stuff is, all of my training, all of my new people stuff, all of my stuff for people that are just still going to take it to the next level, as well as we have a private community in there, guys. That is just absolutely amazing. 6 years and still growing. Amazing. A lot of 6- and 7-figure cryptocurrency holders in that group. It's amazing. Anyway, guys, I want to know your price predictions of Toshi. Let me know in the comment section below. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.